Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a colorless, odorless gas that plays a key role as a greenhouse gas and a fuel source. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as methane, methane, fane, methane. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as methane, methane, fane, methane. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.